So, having seen this through to fruition, how does it feel to finally be installing this piece?
Well, it feels pretty amazing to see everything go up piece by piece and to finally see our disc moving with the kinetics happening. We're really close to having sound. We've tested all the sound boards. So what we have here is a 120 speaker array that is moving in a sinusoidal or wave-like pattern, going up and down to be part of Desert Reflections, How Water Shapes the West. This work is going to be up through the end of September.
And what's been the most challenging part of moving this installation into this space?
I think the biggest challenge for us on this piece is we've only had it half built. In all of our tests, we kind of had chest high, getting everything working, and then kind of coming up here, it's been a real dream to be able to kind of get on the lift, get all the way up, but it's been slow going because everything has to be done either by ladders or by an electronic lift.